Let's go right to the point on how to install Apache JMeter. Open your web browser and go to the official Oracle website, oracle.com/java. Click on Download Java, scroll down and choose Windows X 64-bit installer. Wait for the download to finish, then open the installer file and follow the prompts. Now go to disk C, Program Files, Java, JDK24, bin, then copy the path like I did. Search for environment variables. Under System Variables, find Path, then click Edit and follow my steps. To verify installation, you can open Command Prompt, then type the following command: Java, version. Now go back to your web browser and go to the official Apache JMeter, jmeter.apache.org. Click Download Releases, choose the zip file like I did. Wait for the download to finish, then extract the zip file and follow my steps. Next, paste the file to your program files. Done. Apache JMeter is now installed and ready to use. Like and subscribe for more guides like this.